Today I'm going to show you how to make a really simple Indian side salad, a salsa. Technically it is called Kachumber. Very simple. Get your main ingredients. I use crunchy veggies, including onion, cucumber, tomato. If you'd like, you can add other really fun crunchies, as I call them, maybe some daikon, some radish, whatever you want, kohlrabi. And then you're gonna grab some lime juice. It could be lemon juice. This is the juice of 1 lime. Pour that right in. And then let's hit it with our spices. This is half a teaspoon of regular salt, half a teaspoon of red chili powder or cayenne pepper to make it a little spicy, and half a teaspoon of black salt. Head to my website, indianasapplepie.com, to see what black salt is all about. Oh my God, it's so delicious and addictive. The other thing I have in here are 3 small Thai chilies because we always love a little heat. And you guessed it, there is no oil in these amazing, delicious side salads. Very simple to put together, but really essential whenever you are eating Indian food, especially Punjabi cuisine, to have a delicious kachumber salad right there. And pretty easy, right folks? If you don't have the kala namak, use a chaat masala. You can get it all from my website, indianasapplepie.com. And that is a delicious and healthy side salad.